You do need to make it big enough that somebody from the audience can hover on it, but your cameras are detailed enough now that it works pretty well. So here's the form I'm going to ask you guys to fill out at the end, right? And I'm functionally doing the same thing with these forms. In reality, when you guys fill out these forms, we're adding data points to the database behind the scenes to get a deeper profile of you. Anything that they have to leave their screen for, you don't want to ask for. But if it was, what room did you attend today? They have a drop-down select here, right? They don't have to leave the screen that they're on their cell phone. There's an experience associated with the cell phone user when you're in person. You want to make some choices for them. What did you take away from H7 Business Tech Corner today? I would actually make this a pick list in a live event also. Go back to your outline and just pull out the titles of the sections that you covered and drop them in here as picks.